Hello children, so this is Puneet CK, mathematics teacher at Shantinithan School, Kodogalli. As we all know, we all are facing an unwanted situation due to a tiny virus called COVID-19. So, we are unable to learn contents in regular pattern. Due to this, we need to do things differently in our learning too. So I'm here to introduce the learning content what you people are going to learn in this year. So here the probable suggested syllabus for the year 2020-21. So before I could proceed with my video, I'm just emphasizing and telling it is completely a probable syllabus. It is not finalized yet, but you should have idea about what you people are going to learn this year. So now let's get started with the syllabus for the year 2020 and 21. So I made 3 columns for the lesson partitions. So in the first column, lessons which are retained completely. In the second column, lessons included with partial content, which means some of the concepts has been removed and some of the concept has been retained. Lessons which are completely excluded in the third column. So these are the lessons are completely excluded. So which means you may not learn these lessons in this year. The first lesson. So now let's break each 3 boxes now with some lessons named. So lessons which are retained completely. So the first lesson which has been retained is arithmetic progressions. The second lesson is circles. The third one is constructions. The fourth one is coordinate geometry. Fifth one is trigonometry. Sixth one is applications to trigonometry. The seventh one, the surface areas and volumes. So these 7 lessons has been retained without any modifications. Let's go to the second one. In this second box or second column, we will identify 4 lessons. Among these 4 lessons, some concepts has been removed. So I'll just point out them. Afterwards, you can search in your reader. So in the second column, first lesson is triangles. The excluded content will be, so you'll get an idea of triple S postulate or triple S criteria, SAS criteria, and one is converse of Pythagoras theorem. So these 3 things has been removed. Next one, in the second lesson, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So there will be 3 methods. One method have been kept back, and the 2 methods. One is substitution method, other one is cross multiplication method. So these 2 methods has been removed from this lesson. So you can just go through your reader. You'll get an idea about these 2 techniques. The third lesson is quadratic equations. In this quadratic equations, there is a method called completing the square method. That lesson, that content or that concept has been removed. And the last one is statistics. So in this statistics, 2 methods. The one is something called assumed mean and one is step deviation. These 2 methods were removed, and the direct mean method it has been retained. And these 4 lessons you will not learn this year. Number 1, areas related to circles. Second one, real numbers. The third one, polynomials, and fourth one is probability. So these 4 lessons has been removed completely in this year. So which means you may not learn these lessons again in this year. So this is my conclusion about session 1 of maths class. The above syllabus, so they are designed for 120 days if the school runs for 120 days. It might change, depends on government or department. Stay home, stay safe and stay learning. Thank you.